Hello everybody, this is Shugi here. So this is the first setup that every technician needs. It's the first video that I'm doing, and I want to go over the most basic tools that a phone technician needs. So the first thing that we need is this silicone mat. You don't really need this specific one, but I like the build size of it. I like the fact that I got the organization here. Also I got drawers for this, place for the tools, place for my screwdrivers, also magnetic parts. I have a few magnetic parts to hold my screws when I'm using it. So that's the first thing that I bought. The second thing that I bought is this heating mat of Sunshine. It's really good, goes up to more than 80 degrees, but you don't need more than that. So that's the first thing. Also, things that you need to open the case. You need a bottle with isopropyl. I do prefer the clear one because you can see how much you got inside, and in this one you don't. The reason that I have this one is that it comes with this cap that keeps it from leaking, and unfortunately the clear one doesn't, so I'm using this one. You also need, of course, your screwdriver set. So what I got here is the standard 1.5 used for all Samsung devices and a lot of Chinese ones. We have the 2.5, the 0.8, the 0.6, which used a lot in the iPhone, especially the 0.8, and we have the T2, which used especially in the Chinese versions of phones. Well, of course I also have the SIM drawer opener. Make sure that you have a lot of them because they are really like to go away. I also have a pick, a guitar pick. I use it a lot. It's a really essential thing to open the backs, the fronts. You just go inside and go over, and because it's plastic, it's really easy to go, especially on bend edges like this one. Make sure that you have lots of them because they really like to get destroyed, especially with the alcohol. You will also need tweezers, so I do recommend to buy those. It's a ceramic ones. It's really useful and it comes as a set of 3. You can also use the ones like this. It's really pointy, so there are some places that I would like to use those more than these ones, especially to disconnect flats. Just make sure that you do not disconnect the battery flat cable with this one because it's metal and you don't want to get short circuit. Okay. Another really important tool is this one. Okay, it's just like for tweezers. I like to use it to disconnect the flats. It's plastic, so it's really convenient to use, especially with the battery flat. Okay, I have my suction cup to hold and open. Also, it's really useful for iPhone when you open in iPhones you open the front, the screen. So when you open the screen and you need to place it somewhere because you need to disconnect the flats and do not destroy the flat. So I really like to use it as a holder. I don't really need to buy another holder. So it's really useful. It's really big. It's okay for most batteries as well. So that's the suction cup, really useful. I have my glue removing tool, really useful. Remember to use it the rotation. You have two directions, so make sure that you go from the side, you go in the direction to the phone and not outside of the phone. It's really easier to remove the tool, the glue, sorry. And I have this tool of RELIFE. It's a scraper tool. It's really useful to remove the back of the iPhones, to scrape them, also to remove excess of glue. It's really useful. Just don't remove it on the glass, only on the frame itself. And the most important part, rubber band to close to hold everything together once you finish your work. And when you finish your work, you also will need glue. So what I have here is the B7000 and the E7000. Both of them are good. There is also the T7000. All of them are good. Those two especially are clear ones, so it doesn't matter if you're working on a light phone or a dark phone. It's good for both. And you also have the two side tapes. What I have here are two tapes. They're just fused together in my case. One of them is 2mm thick, the other one is 3mm thick. It's good. It's really nice to have them and really nice to use them. Make sure, from my opinion, the 3mm thick is better for the battery, to just put 2-3 stripes underneath the battery when you want to replace it or to put it back. And the 2mm thick is better for the entire frame. Now, if you're working on, let's say, the Samsung Flips, so there you have some places which is really thin bezel, so try to use the 1mm thick. It will do the job. Well, those are the tools that I recommend for the start. The absolutely start. Without those tools, it's really hard to work. So make sure you get those tools, and I'll see you in the next video.